Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today we're making beef chow mein casserole. Now this is a wonderful, nostalgic, comforting dish made with ground beef, Chinese vegetables, and even canned soups for convenience. Now I had never heard of this casserole until I came to the Midwest in the 1990s, and now I'm starting with the recipe that my sister-in-law Jane gave me, so thank you, Jane. But I'm making a few tweaks because I did not have any mushrooms. But let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. The ingredients for the ground beef chow mein casserole are ground beef, chopped onions and celery, white rice, chow mein noodles, water chestnuts, cream of mushroom soup, cream of chicken soup, Worcestershire sauce, and soy sauce. You'll need a 13 by 9 inch pan sprayed with cooking spray. So you'll need to prep your vegetables. I have the equivalent of 1 cup of chopped celery. I had some onions that I diced and froze in the freezer. So I thawed those out and gave them a rough chop. And then I had an 8-ounce can of water chestnuts, and they come in the little rounds. Water chestnuts like that. So you want to drain those and give them a rough chop. All right, next we will go over to the stove and start browning our ground beef. Now this is very lean ground beef. I think it's 93%. If you have something less than that, like a 75 or an 85, you may need to drain it once it's cooked up. You don't want a lot of fat in there. Now this is a dish that I was not familiar with until I moved to the Midwest. I grew up in Texas and Louisiana, and we never really ate, that I can remember, beef chow mein casserole. When I moved to the Midwest, this is something that my mother-in-law used to make, and I understand it's a popular, nostalgic recipe that's typical in the Midwest. So comment down below and let me know if you grew up eating this or something similar. But I do know that it's a very comforting, delicious casserole that's so easy to put together. And most of the ingredients you already have. You may need to go out and buy water chestnuts, and chow mein noodles is really all I needed to go buy. The other things that I use are very common, you know, your canned soups, rice, the vegetables. So once you make this, I'm sure it will be as part of your dinner rotation. You'll need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. This will be, once we get all of the ingredients mixed together, we'll be baking it in the oven for about an hour and a half. And we're using raw rice going in there, so with all the liquid, that will give the rice time to cook in the casserole. So this is a very lean ground beef, but I'll wait once it cooks up. If I need to drain any off, I'll just use the paper towel method. Okay, that ground beef is super lean. I don't need to do any kind of draining, so I'll go ahead and add my other ingredients. Got 1 onion chopped, 1 cup of celery chopped, 8 ounces of water chestnuts drained and chopped, 1 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup, 1 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup, 1.5 cups of water, 1 cup of raw rice. I'm just using jasmine rice. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And we'll give all of those ingredients a good stir. And these are your ingredients that you'll be putting into a 13 by 9 inch casserole dish that's been sprayed with cooking spray or greased. And you may find some recipes that just tell you to put all of the ingredients in a bowl and mix it up, but I just find it easier. Why not just put it in the same pan that you brown your ground beef in? And that's if you have kind of a deep pan. I'm not adding any salt right now because there's the soy sauce in there, the soup. I did use unsalted soup, but you can adjust your seasonings. Okay, I'm going to spray a 13 by 9 inch pan. You want to cover the pan with aluminum foil. And then we will put it into a 350-degree oven for 1.5 hours. So once that is baked in the oven for an hour and a half, we'll take it out, remove the foil, and put on our chow mein noodles on top. It'll give it a wonderful crunch. We'll put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, this has been in the oven for an hour and a half. You can see the rice is nice and cooked. A 6-ounce package of chow mein noodles. Just sprinkle on top. I'm going to put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes. Those are already toasted up, but we'll just warm them up. And then we'll be ready to serve and give it a taste test. Okay, that is ready to dish up and serve. Now for the taste test of the ground beef, chow mein, casserole, or hot dish. All of that rice just soaked up all of the liquid in there. The seasoning in there is really good, and it's just from the soups, the soy sauce, the Worcestershire sauce, and the vegetables. I didn't add any extra salt and pepper. You could add more seasonings as you see fit. Very comforting, warm dish. A little crunch on top from those noodles. And there's some crunch left in there with the water chestnuts and a little bit of crunch left in the celery. This is really good. I think I would add even a little extra soy sauce on top, but I wouldn't put it in there because it might make it too salty for everyone. But this is really good. Thank you so much for watching today. If you're interested in more of my videos, please check out my What's for Dinner playlist. I'll link that at the end of this video. If you like what you saw today, please consider subscribing and sharing with your friends. We'll see you next time.